Time to start another day of work. Getting some painting done first up. Alright, we got something done, and that something is framing the window. Woohoo! It took a lot of finagling and trial and error to be able to do this, but I think it's looking great. Right now they're just drying. I put a little bit of liquid nails in the corners to make it, you know, kind of not so uneven. I did leave a little bit of an overhang on these because, as you can see, the wood is sticking out just a little bit, so I'm not sure exactly how they're going to be meeting quite yet. We shall be setting them up very soon. We finished painting the wood framework. The foam is fine, but the wood always should be protected. And I was trying to cut this to fit better and ended up munching off the corner, but you know what? It adds character, so it's all good. Plus, they're gonna look pretty spiffy from far away. And I was looking at them upside down. This is what they're going to look like. The shorter one is on this end, and the taller one is on that end. It's all the same TV, but it's in the middle. And it's getting late, and we need to go home and get some rest to get an early start on tomorrow's build, because it's in the hundreds tomorrow and the next day, which sucks. So we're gonna start at like, I wish 5, but I'll be nice, and we're gonna start at 6. So let's rock this thing. But that's it for right now for the facade build. Hi, CP. Are you testing out its stability? Thank you so much. Well, it seems I didn't secure the rest of these as well as I thought I did, and all the ones that go around the window are gone. So now I have to redo them. Alright, this is what we've got done before it is too dark to be working safely. So I got these two done, those two done, and I got the foam pieces cut to put there and to put around it. Yes, it does need glowing eyes, but nice and shiny. We love regular ravens, but we need our silver raven.
We love Sebby.
I know,
He's
very
such a good
nice,
boy.
very nice. Alright, trying something else. I was going to put great stuff in, you know, over the screws and the caps, but honestly the liquid nails is looking like pretty good. You don't want them to be perfect, obviously, but it does help with some of them sticking up all weird like that. Can't really help it, but I think it's not too bad of a job at hiding them. Makes it at least a little bit more flat. So of course that means we're gonna have to go back over the ones that we painted and do those. But I think it looks good. Need to get some more foam to cover this one, and then we only have the very last outside one to do, and then we'll be ready to start putting up the facade. Not leaving it up, of course, just putting it up and testing it.